This is a video of a ride on Thailand's Route 213, which runs between Somdet in Kalasin province and Sakon Nakhon city. Here's a section covered in this video. I call this section the Monkey Road, but that's not its official name. I call it that because it's got a troop of wild monkeys that often appear. It's a windy road through National Forest Park and it climbs 800 metres to the Phu Phan ridge. There the highway continues mostly straight to Sakon Nakhon, or you can take one of several more interesting side roads off the ridge to approach Sakon via Tao Ngoi or cut back. In this video I'm riding with Wayne from Australia. I'm riding my Kawasaki Eliminator 400 and Wayne is riding my Triumph Tiger 800 SCA. You can hear the two engine notes. The Eliminator is a 450cc parallel twin and the Tiger is a triple. So here as I wave Wayne past, you can hear the hiss of the triple. And in this video you can also see how much less vibration you get on the Tiger. The Eliminator has a pretty basic suspension with 5 adjustment positions. It's basically a modified Ninja, but the Tiger has a far better suspension. Also my camera's helmet mounted and Wayne's is handlebar mounted, but obviously he's got a windshield and I don't, so it's hard to say how much of it is camera placement. Since we both had cameras, it was a good opportunity to show this great little road from two perspectives at the same time, which I try and do in this video. So what about the road? 213 is a great road, especially where it climbs on and off the Phu Phan range. Avoid it early morning and late afternoon when the trucks, buses, couriers and so on are commuting, unless overtaking is especially your thing. Late morning to mid-afternoon is just great. The road has a lot of tight bends with some straight sections and a few stretches of passing lane. Everyone's trying to pass each other on those passing stretches, so they can be quite sketchy. One time I undertook an entire row of cars and trucks and also the bus that they were all trying to overtake because they were all in the passing lane and the inside lane was empty. There's a couple of stops on the way up from Somdet, but otherwise there's no stops on this road until the PTT station at Phu Phan. So once you're on, you're in it for the duration. Some of those rest stops have got statue dinosaurs and sort of sitting picnic areas and so on. It's very nice to stop there. It's sometimes hard to imagine that this is the main route from the south to Sakon Nakhon, especially when it's so tight and windy on the two sections, the Monkey Road, and at the other end is something called the Snake Road, which is a series of S-bends. I haven't videoed the Snake Road. To be honest, it's very difficult to get the Snake Road without quite a lot of traffic on it. And any time I have managed to do it, I haven't had my camera with. So we're just approaching the sign that marks the boundary between the provinces of Kalasin and Sakon Nakhon. And here we start to see some signs for the monkeys, the brown sign there and the yellow sign. just past his truck and we get our first monkey, I think. So here's our first monkey. He's a big chap, a little bit away from the rest of them. Here's our next monkey, sitting right beside the sign. And just ahead there's a group walking across the road. You can't see them in a minute. And a few sitting on the railing here, looking at little statues. It's always good when you see the monkeys. You don't always see them. But when they do come out, it's sort of reassuring that they're still around and still okay, because there are regular bushfires in this area. So you sometimes wonder if they've been sort of smoked out or something, but I don't know, good. There are also hunters. Whether they hunt monkeys, I have no idea. There's the usual ute full of people. It's just a perfectly normal thing. So now we hit a little group of traffic that's concertinaed behind some truck or something, and we're going to hit a straight section in a second, and there's going to be the usual mad rush for everybody to overtake everybody. Being on a motorcycle, we have a bit more option. So Wayne's going past there on the left, and I've gone past on the right. Someone's overtaken in front of me, so I'll pass to the right of him. After the truck passes, of course. So yeah, it's a double overtake, effectively. And a little turn of speed here, and pick it up to the traffic lights at Phu Phan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.